Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is hindi mahalaga, insignificant. Hindi mahalaga, hindi mahalaga, insignificant. Walang gaanong halaga. Insignificant amount. Walang gaanong halaga. Sikat. Famous. Sikat. Sikat. Famous. Sikat na aktor. Famous actor. Sikat na aktor. Bumahing. Sneeze. Bumahing. Bumahing. Sneeze. Ang babae ay bumabahing. The woman is sneezing. Ang babae ay bumabahing. Pangkaraniwan. Casual. Pangkaraniwan. Pangkaraniwan. Casual. Pangkaraniwang pananamit. Casual clothing. Pangkaraniwang pananamit. Gitara. Guitar. Gitara. Gitara. Guitar. Anim na kwadras na gitara. 6-string guitar. Anim na kwadras na gitara. Huminga. Breathe. Huminga. Huminga. Breathe. Huminga ng malalim. Breathe deeply. Huminga ng malalim. Dumura. Spit. Dumura. Dumura. Spit. Bawal dumura. No spitting. Bawal dumura. Dentista. Dentist. Dentista. Dentista. Dentist. Magpatingin sa isang dentista. See a dentist. Magpatingin sa isang dentista. Lukab. Cavity. Lukab. Lukab. Cavity. Malalim na lukab. Deep cavity. Malalim na lukab. Hika. Asthma. Hika. Hika. Asthma. Inhaler para sa hika. Asthma inhaler. Inhaler para sa hika. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say insignificant? Hindi mahalaga. Hindi mahalaga. And how to say famous? Sikat. Sikat. What about sneeze? Bumahing. Bumahing. Do you remember how to say casual? Pangkaraniwan. Pangkaraniwan. Let's try guitar. Gitara. Gitara. What about breathe? Huminga. Huminga. Now, let's see if you remember how to say spit. Dumura. Dumura. Another one. What about dentist? Dentista. Dentista. Do you remember how to say cavity? Lukab. Lukab. And finally, do you remember how to say asthma? Hika. Hika. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!